Hello everybody, my name's Paul Tace. In this video we're going to be downloading Davinci Resolve 17. To do this, just search for it on Google or use the link in the description down below, and then we're going to come through to the Davinci Resolve 17 page. Scroll down and press download, and then we're going to look at the Davinci Resolve 17 beta. We're not going to go to the studio version, and then we are going to click on whichever system we have. I personally have Windows. From there you'll be asked your details, and you can just fill these out. Now I know a lot of people won't want to give their details, but I've used them before and they don't get in contact with me, and I've had no trouble with it, so I wouldn't be worried about doing this. Also, they're not really going to know if you put the wrong details in, although I wouldn't recommend doing that. Anyway, once you've done that, you can press register and download, and then this will take you through to the next step. So once we've done that, we'll get this little window pop up, and I'm just going to press save, and this is going to save it through to my downloads folder. So I clicked on the screen, and then I'm just going to go up to the top right hand corner now, and we can see that it is now downloading into my downloads folder. So this is going to take a while. So while it's downloading, I just want to say that Davinci Resolve 17 is a great piece of free software. Now I personally used Davinci Resolve for about 2 years, and then I never needed to upgrade to its professional level. However, as I've been doing more and more, I've moved over to Adobe, and I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro now. But I still recommend Davinci Resolve as a great piece of free software for video editing. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead now. Okay guys, so that's going to be your downloads folder now, so you can either right click on it and go to open folder containing, or we can just go straight to our downloads. Okay guys, so now if we go here, we'll see we've got a zip folder with Davinci Resolve. We need to unzip it. So what we're going to do is go through to unzip and then click extract here. This may take a little while, but once it's done, we should now have a file that is not zipped, and I actually can't find it. So what I'm going to do is go up to the search up here and type in Davinci. And here we can see the right one. It's got the little Davinci Resolve icon next to it. So I'm going to double click this, and this is going to start extracting. I'm going to skip forward again now. Now once that's done, we need to find the installer. Mine was hidden behind the window. But once I've got it, I'm going to press install. And then I'm just going to go through all the motions of pressing next, agree, and so on until we get through to the final window which says finish. Once it's all done, it'll ask us to restart our computer, so I'm going to do that now. So once we've reset, we can click the icon on the desktop background, which is the 3 circles in the circle, and then it should start opening up Davinci Resolve. Now I've sped this up, so it's going to open really quickly. And I'm just going to click Upgrade Database, and this is going to bring everything over from Davinci Resolve 16 into Davinci Resolve 17. And then from here, I can just click New Project. Press Create. And this is going to take me through to Davinci Resolve, and I can start editing. Okay guys, so if you need any help in editing, I've dropped a link in the description down below, or in the top right hand corner now, of some videos that may help you along the way. That's it for this video guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.